Triple constrained model for 1724 Cosmic Gecko Loop in Madripoor property address, 1724 Cosmic Gecko Loop, tenants, cyber squids, astronachos, pixel punks, and byte bodega. Colorful synopsis. Step into 1724 Cosmic Gecko Loop, a bustling hub in the heart of Madripoor, a slice of Silicon Valley that captures the tech meets pirate flair of Madripoor. With tenants like cyber squids and pixel punks, this hotspot is a vibrant mix of cutting-edge innovation and gritty charm. Picture neon murals, eccentric architecture, and a second-floor patio where high-flying tech meets low-key vibes. This property is ready for an upgrade to draw in tenants as unique as the Madripoor mystique. Investment goals: target a 9.5% cap rate by upgrading tenant quality and enhancing the property's appeal to fit the eclectic Madripoor ethos. Scope: property and tenant enhancements define property improvements and target tenants who are not only stable and creditworthy but also fit the vibrant, quirky Madripoor identity. Actions: tenant quality upgrades. Seek tenants from tech and creative industries who value energy efficiency, security, and unique amenities. Property enhancements. Enhance common areas with vibrant Madripoor-inspired decor, upgrade the second-floor patio for social events, and add energy-efficient features for modern appeal. Outcome: attract premium tenants with long-term lease agreements, boosting tenant quality and revenue stability. Cost: budgeting for upgrades and tenant improvements. Allocate funds carefully to cover aesthetic upgrades and tenant allowances within the budget to achieve the 9.5% cap rate target. Target investments: $75,000 for colorful common space upgrades and $50,000 for quirky tenant amenities. Financial objectives: increase the NOI to $256,500 to achieve a 9.5% cap rate on a $2,700,000 valuation, balancing initial upgrade costs with projected NOI gains. Return goal: maximize property value by balancing upfront renovation costs with increased NOI. Timeline for property improvements and lease adjustments. Plan a phased approach to minimize disruption and achieve tenant turnover with strategic upgrades. Renovation timeline: complete major upgrades within 6 to 12 months, with tenant improvements done in 1 to 2 months upon lease expirations. Lease transition and renewal: phased tenant upgrades with lease renewals, aiming for full tenant alignment with NOI and cap rate goals within 18 to 24 months. Summary: the triple constrained model for 1724 Cosmic Gecko Loop balances scope, tenant and property upgrades, cost, strategic budget for Madripoor-specific appeal, and time, phased tenant transitions and improvements. This approach is designed to hit the 9.5% cap rate goal, making 1724 Cosmic Gecko Loop a uniquely stable investment in the vibrant, competitive Madripoor market.